Hello, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be able to record a voice over your video using the CapCut tool. So the first thing we are going to do is that we have to upload whatever the video that we want to use for that. So I'm just going to look for it. This is it, no audio. I have a video here that is not having any audio. So this is the video I'm having. There's no voice there. There's nothing there. There's no audio. I'm just going to play it. You're going to see. Let me bring it down. You have to bring it down here first. Then I'm going to play it. Listen, there is no voice there. As you can see, the video is not having any voice. So this is a particular video that I uploaded. I did a different tutorial about it with it. So I'm going to now show you how you can record a voice over. So in order to do that, in order to record a voice over this particular video, you just need to select this, come down here and select the video, this in the play here, select the video here, and then come here where you find this voice over here. There's a voice over here. You have to click the voice over mic here. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open like this. Then you need to select the microphone. You just select which microphone you want to use. For example, the one I'm using, or what system one, or the one that you have attached. This is the one I want to, and I'm using. I'm just going to leave everything by default. Now you can correct a lot of things here. Say echo reduction. Say attempt to avoid echo from the speaker. You can just select anything you don't want. Say mute project, whatever the thing that is the enhanced voice, automatically remove echoes. It's your choice what you want to do. Once you're done selecting it, and you know you want to start clicking, you need to just come and do what? You just you just need to click on this red button here, that recording, that you have to click to start recording. So if I click here, hello everyone, welcome to this CapCut tutorial class. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to download and install the CapCut tool on your PC. So head over to your browser. You just click on, if you're working on Windows operating system, just type CapCut download for Windows. And then you choose the first option that is there, that is the direct site, the direct website that you can be able to open to be able to download that particular code software. So when you open it, the next thing you need to do, you need to wait for the environment to be ready. Once the environment is ready, then we can be able to click on download for free. Now it is free, it is ready. You can browse to check. Now everything is fine. You just need to click on the download for free button. When you click there, it is going to get downloaded on your PC. So the download has started. That is how it goes. So thank you. So once you're done recording what you want to record, because if you look at what happened now, I was just recording. I showed you how to record. So once you're done, you click the record. You see, I have stopped recording. No more recording again. I stopped. I click on the stop. I stop. So recording is stopped. And if you look now, you want to see where the recording. If you see the recording has appeared here, follow my mouse. So I'm just going to come out from here. I'm coming out. Click out. Now, if you look here, this is the recording here that has come out, and this is the recording here. Beneath it is a voiceover that we got. If I take my mouse to this particular position where I started the voice, now let's play this particular video. You see this voice now is going to play alongside the video. Welcome to this CapCut tutorial class. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to download and install the CapCut tool on your PC. So head over to your browser. You just click on, if you're working on Windows operating system, just type CapCut download for Windows. And then you choose the first option that is there, that is direct site, the direct website that you can be able to open to be able to download that particular CapCut software. So when you open it, the next thing you need to do, you need to wait for the environment to be ready. Once the environment is ready, then we can be able to click on download for free. Now it is free, it is ready. You can browse to check. Now everything is fine. You just need to click on the download for free button. When you click there, it is going to get downloaded on your PC. So the download has started. That is how it goes. So can you see? Now I just recorded a voice over this. Now the next question you might be asking is, now I've recorded a voice over it, How then should I do? If you want to use this particular video, let's say it's a video you want to upload on YouTube or Snap or TikTok, anywhere you want to work with it, the first thing when you're done doing all your editing here, you just need to click on export. Once you click on export, this video will be exported with the voice. You just need to click on export. Once you click on export, you just need to give the name that you want to give for this particular video. And then you select the location where you want to save it. And then you click export. Once it exports from this particular CapCut, then it is going to be having the voice. The voice now, the video is no more going to be a video without audio. The voice is going to be now a video with the voice. So when you listen to it, you now listen to it, you'll be getting the voice of it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. So see you in the next class. I hope this is really helpful to you. This was helpful for you to know how to be able to do what, to be able to record a voice over. And please, if you have not liked this video, please, what are you waiting for? Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more better things that are coming up. And then don't forget to share with others and keep a comment in the comment section, And this is a playlist. There are a lot of exciting videos here. If you have not watched the others, why not just browse in between and be able to watch the other videos? They are very exciting. Thank you so much and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.